Today for dinner we are having super cheesy ground beef quesadillas with cheese, ground beef, jalapeno, tomatoes, and beans. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. For this recipe, you're gonna need olive oil, onion, garlic, ground beef, jalapeno, diced tomatoes and green chilies, black beans, spices like paprika and cumin, tortillas, and cheese. I like to use mozzarella cheese and sharp cheddar cheese, and cilantro. Over medium-high heat, preheat olive oil. While oil is preheating, let's chop some onion. I like to use this wonderful chopper that my sister recommended to me. Next, we're gonna saute it for a few minutes and add garlic. After, we're gonna chop jalapeno and add it with ground beef and saute it for about 5 minutes. After the ground beef is browned, we're gonna add tomatoes, black beans, and spices. We're gonna stir everything up and saute it for a few more minutes. Now let's cook our tortillas. I like to use raw tortillas, so we're gonna heat up a skillet with olive oil and add raw tortilla. We're gonna saute it until golden color and flip it on the other side. After, we're gonna add cheese and meat mixture, followed by cilantro. Fold the tortilla in half and cook until golden color. Transfer quesadilla onto a cutting board and slice it into 3 pieces. Serve your delicious quesadillas with homemade tomato salsa. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel if you did and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!